Are you stuck in the maze? I think you're stuck. Lucy and Azra, are you stuck? You're stuck? Which way? Which way next? Which way next?
Come on, Luce. They're the perfect height.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, there you go. Which way's next, Azra? Which way? You think you're gonna go that way? I don't know. I don't know. I think you're stuck.
Dead end.
Are you stuck? Hi, guys.
Hi. Hi, Mama. Hi, Andy.
Hi, Marilyn.